Hello, fellow Bay East members, and Happy New Year. I'm Barbara Clemons, the 2024 president of the Bay East Association of Realtors. So 6 months ago, I shared highlights of Bay East accomplishments, and now I'd like to share the highlights from the last 6 months of 2024. We responded to members' needs, some serious challenges, and some wonderful opportunities. A big challenge, of course, was the NAR lawsuit settlement and business practice changes. Bay East worked hard to let our members know what these changes mean. We hosted in-person and virtual town hall events. We brought in legal experts, form experts, and even representatives from the Department of Real Estate. Our members are rising to the occasion, and I'm so glad that Bay East is helping them find opportunities to succeed. Next is the MLS updates. Online security is important, and this applies to the MLS. On April 9th of 2024, we implemented multi-factor authentication to the MLS login process. It adds an extra layer of protection beyond just entering a password, and it reduces the risk of unauthorized access. We also updated the property statuses to align with the real estate organization data standards. This change improved consistency, data accuracy, and compatibility with other MLS platforms and made your MLS experience easier. MLS subscribers gained more control over their listing photos. You now have the ability to mark your photos as either private, which means photos remain within the MLS only, or public, which means your photos are in the MLS and can be shared with third-party platforms to maximize exposure. These options empower you to manage how your listing photos are presented and marketed, catering to your clients' preferences and needs. We've recently launched Finding Homes by Lundy, and this is a voice-activated system that makes the home search process more accessible. If you want to learn more about this MLS changes, visit the Bay East website under What's New in the MLS section. Okay, so I'm just getting warmed up. There were a lot of changes in 2024 and a lot of news information we needed to share with you. We did this in many ways, from our email newsletters, an updated and streamlined website, social media posts, videos, and in-person events. Also, we proudly hosted 4 major member events designed to provide invaluable resources and insights to our diverse membership. These events were carefully crafted to address the unique needs of new agents starting their real estate journeys, such as cutting-edge technology, to elevate our members' businesses and deliver crucial updates on business practice changes to keep our community informed and ahead of the curve. One of my passions is advocacy, and I have a few things to share. We took a big group of Bay East members to Sacramento for Legislative Day so they could make their realtor voice heard. Closer to home, we worked with the Alameda County Board of Supervisors, attended meetings, and testified at public hearings all year long to make sure their rental housing policies don't harm housing providers. And during the weeks leading up to the November 5th election, the Bay East Political Activities Committee interviewed dozens of candidates running for local offices. Of those, 22 earned the Bay East endorsement, and many also received campaign support. Our involvement in politics helps make sure that the realtor voice is heard at City Hall. Our political activities require a war chest, and Bay East members made sure that we were prepared. In 2024, Bay East achieved the highest Realtor Action Fund participation rate in the Jumbo Association category, as 63% of Bay East members contributed to the Realtor Action Fund. Now, thank you for that support. We've heard loud and clear from our members that they want and need Bay East to be the voice for real estate. So in 2024, we stepped up our media activities, and it worked. Local and national print and broadcast journalists consistently turn to us for insights on lawsuit settlements, new real estate business practices, and real estate market conditions. We issued press releases, submitted stories, and guest editorials. And we're always ready to participate in interviews. So far, Bay East officers and staff were featured in more than 30 stories in newspapers, TV, and online. So 2024 was a year that none of us will soon forget. And I'd like to personally thank you for the opportunity to serve and lead as your 2024 president. I wish you continued success in this year, and here's to 2025.